Looking for reliable garage door services in West Michigan? Mitten Garage Doors has you covered. As a family-owned business, we offer top-quality installation, repair, and maintenance services. Our expert technicians are trained to handle all types of garage doors and openers, ensuring safety and efficiency. We provide free estimates, 24/7 emergency repairs, and a satisfaction guarantee. With our commitment to quality and customer service, you can trust Mitten Garage Doors for all your garage door needs. Call us today for a free consultation.